Hi my dear students, good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th standard maths. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Mathematics may not teach us how to add happiness or how to minus sadness, but it does teach one important thing. Every problem has a solution. Let's start the session. Exercise 8.1, 7th question. Find the standard deviation of first 21 natural numbers. So, here we want to find the standard deviation for what? 21 natural numbers. So, natural numbers starting with that is 1, 2, 3, etc. like that. Here they are told first 21 means 1 to 21 numbers. So, that is for the first 21 natural numbers. So here we can write the first 21 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc. 21 up to 21, that is for the first 21 natural numbers. So here we can see for the standard deviation, I already told that is for the natural numbers formula. Standard deviation for n natural numbers. So the formula is root of n squared minus 1 divided by 12. So here n is, that is the last number. Here the last number is 21. So n equal to 21. So here sigma equal to root of 21 square minus 1 divided by 12. So if you know the 21 square number root means you have to write straightly, or otherwise you have to multiple 21 into 21 because here the square is there. So 1 ones are 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So the value is 441. So root of 441 minus 1 divided by 12. So if you subtract means that is 441 minus 1 subtract means 440 divided by 12. So here we can cancel with the 2 table because here 440 it's cancel with the 2 table and 12 also cancel with the 2 table. So 6 2s are 12. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Here 0 it will become. Again we can use with the 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 0. So if you cancel means we get with the decimal. If you know means straightly means here itself you can cancel with the numbers, or otherwise you can use the normal division. So root of 110 divided by 3. If you divide 110 divided by 3. So that means 3 3s are 9, remaining 2, 0 it will be down. So 6 3s are 18, remaining 2. So decimal point you have to keep. So 20. So again we can use means 6 3s are 18, again 2, 0. 6 3s are 18, again 2, it will be going on. So 6 6 6 6 6 like that it will be going on. So now we want to find the value for square root, that is 36.66. So here see root of 36.66. For this square root we can use the long division method. So 36.66. If you want to decimal after the, we know that number, that is 666 like that. If you want to find means you can write again also for the long division 2 2 because here the 2 value is there. So 2 2 we can take. So if you know that 6 6 are 36. So if you subtract means we get 0. So we can do that. So the decimal point is there. So after decimal point we know we have the number, that is 66. So 66 it will become. So here if you know that is 12. If you 6 2s are 12 இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம போடும்போது நமக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ இந்த 2 நம்பர் நம்ம சேர்க்குறோம் அப்படிங்கும்போது நமக்கு வேல்யூஸ் ஆட் ஆகணும். ஸோ ஆட் ஆகும்போது 12 பண்ணும்போது அப்படிங்கும்போது இங்கே நம்ம 3 போடுறோம் அப்படின்னா 123ன்னு வந்துடும். 123 அப்படிங்கும்போது இங்கே 66, இட் இஸ் ஸோ ஸ்மாலர். ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஆல்ரெடி பாயிண்ட் வச்சு நமக்கு நார்மல் டிவிஷனில் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஒரு 0 சேர்ப்போம். ஹியர் we have to, for the long division method, you have to write 2 zeros because for the long division இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம ரெண்டு நம்பராக தான் இறக்கணும். ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் இங்கே 2 0. At the time, in place of one place, we have fell down 2 values. So 6 also here we have taken, 0 0 also we have taken. So in numerator we have write 0. Here also we have to use the 0. If you know that 1 means 1 2 0 1 2, like that if you multiple, here we can take 5. So if you multiple 5 means 1205 into 5. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 0, 2, 2 5s are 10, balance 1, 1 5 is 5, 6. So 5 is there, so 6025. If you subtract means it will be borrow. So 9, 10, 5, 7, here 5 is there, so 500. If you want means you have to find the next number, or otherwise till now you have to stop. So here the value is 6.05. So the standard deviation for natural numbers is 21 natural number is 6.05. Example 8.8. Find the standard deviation of the following data: 7, 4, 8, 10, 11. Add 3 to all the values, then find the standard deviation for the new values. So first of all, for the following data we want to find the standard deviation, and also if you add a 3 like that, if you add for each data means we get new data. For that new data also we want to find the standard deviation. So first of all we want to arrange the value. Here the datas are there, so arrange in ascending order. So the ascending order is 4, 7, 8, 10, 11. So here this is ungrouped data. For ungrouped data we have a 4 methods: direct method, mean method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. So here the values are so small, so we can use the direct method. So for the direct method, first of all we want to know the n. So here the number of terms are 1 2 3 4 5. So n equal to 5. So then for the direct method we want to know the xi and xi squared for the summation. So we make a tabular column. So first one is xi, second one is xi squared. So here xi values are 4, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now we want to square. So 4 4s are 16, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121. So here we want to summation for xi and summation for xi squared we want to add. For that, here the values is summation xi squared. So here you add 11 plus 10, 21, 29, 36, 40. Here we want to add the first one digit place. So 10, 20, remaining 2. So 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, remaining 1. So 1, 2, 3. So the adding value is 350. Now we want to substitute in the formula. So here the formula is sigma equal to root of summation xi squared by n minus summation xi by n the whole squared. So root of summation xi squared we find that is 350 divided by n is 5 minus here also summation xi that is 40 by 5 the whole square. Here we can cancel. So 1 5 is 5, 7 5s are 35, the 0. Then here also we can cancel. So 1 5 is 5, 8 5s are 40. Here 8 squared is there. So 8 squared means if you multiple 70 minus 8 into 8, 64. If you subtract means root 6, For root 6 also we can find by using the long division method, because 2 into 3 like that. For the multiplication, if you take means we can't take the square root. So by using the long division, or otherwise if you use the factorize means 2 3s are 6 alone. For 2 the root value is 1.414. For root 3 value is 1.732. If you multiple means we get the value. Likewise, if you multiple, you can get the value, or otherwise by using the long division also it will be easy. So here we can 6 is there. So 2 2s are 4. It is possible. Then 2, keep the decimal point. Here we can use that. If you multiple 2 2s are 4. After 0 means if you put 1 means it is possible. 2 means also it can't possible. So here the long division method we have to write 2 zeros. So now we can use that. If you use 5 means it will be greater, because if you know that multiplication 45 into 5, if you multiple means 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20, 22, it will be greater. So 44 it's enough. 4 4s are 16, remaining 1, 4 4s are 16, 17. So 4 it is possible. So 176. So now borrow the term 1, 9, 10. So 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 7, 2. Here already they keep the decimal point, so keep 2 zeros. Here we want to multiple 2, so the 4 if we multiple means 48. Now here we can use 5 means 4, 8, 5. If you multiple means 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 8 5s are 40, 42, 4. 5 4s are 20, 24. So it will be greater. So we can use the 4 alone. So 4 4s are 16, remaining 1. 8 4s are 32, 33. 4 4s are 16, 19. So it is possible. So 4 it will be possible. 1936. If you subtract means we get one value. So borrow the term 9, 10, 4, 6. Here 3 is not possible. 1, 13, 464. If you have the numbers means next number again we have to keep 2 point 2 zeros சேர்த்து திரும்ப மல்டிபிள் பண்ணிங்கன்னா here we get one sum. After 5 alone we get. அதுக்கப்புறம் கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னா முன்னாடி இருக்க நம்பரை we can add only one number. So alone in book they mention 2.45 like that. Here you can mention 2.44 also correct alone. So here the standard deviation for the following data is 2.44. Now we want to find the new value, that is add 3 for the following data. So add 3 for the following data. If you add means we get, that is 7, 10, 11, 13, 14. For this data we want to find the standard deviation. So again we can use the direct method. So now write the new data, that is 7, 10, 11, 13, 14. Here we want to square. So 7 7s are 49, 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121, 13 13s are 169. So 14 14s are 196. So now we want to add, because summation xi we want to find, summation xi squared also we want to find. So here we want to add 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 1 15, remaining 1. So 1 2 3 4 5. So summation xi is 55. So here also we want to add. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 6 25. So remaining 2. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 9 23, remaining 2. So 2 plus 1 3, 4 5 6. So summation xi squared equal to 635. Now we want to find the standard deviation for the new value. So sigma equal to root of summation xi squared by n minus summation xi by n the whole squared. So root of, here summation xi squared is 635 divided by same 5 n. So here also 55 divided by 5 the whole squared. So here we can cancel 1 5 is 5. Here also 1 5 is 5. So here 3 is not possible. 35 alone we have to take. Here itself 2 numbers we have take means 0 we added. So 7 5s are 35. Likewise here also 1 5 is 5. Here also 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. Here sorry guys, the remaining one is there. So 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So here 127 minus here 11 square. So root of 127 minus 11 square means 11 into 11, 121. Here subtract means root 6. For root 6 already we find the long division. So here the value is 2.44. So sigma equal to 2.44. So here one statement is there, that is for the standard deviation will not change when we add some fixed constant k. That is ஒரே கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வேல்யூவை இங்கே நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு வரோம், அதாவது 3 ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு வரோம். இஃப் யூ ஆட் ஃபார் ஆல் த வேல்யூஸ் மீன்ஸ் தேர் இஸ் நோ சேஞ்சஸ் இன் தி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டீவியேஷன். Example 8.9. Find the standard deviation of the data 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Multiply each data by 4. Find the standard deviation of the new values. So first of all, for the following data, we want to find the standard deviation. For this data, we have to multiple with 4 and we get the new data. For that new data also, we want to find the standard deviation. So here also the small values alone, we can use the direct method. So for the direct method, we have to make the tabular column, that is xi, summation xi so xi squared. So here the data are 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. So square means 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. So here we want to add. So for that 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 25. So summation xi equal to 25. So likewise summation xi square. Here we want to add the unit place. So for the unit place 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 5, that is sorry, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 27 plus 4, 31. So remaining 3 is there. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 151. Now we want to substitute in the formula, that is the direct method formula, root of summation xi square by n minus summation xi by n the whole squared. So here we want to n is, that is n equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So now we want to substitute. So root of here summation xi squared is 151 divided by 5 minus here 25 divided by 5 the whole squared. It is not possible to cancel, but here we can cancel. 1 5 is 5, 5 5 is 25. So here we can divide the normal division, that is 151 divided by 5. So that means 3 5 is 15. So remaining 0. Here also fell down is 1 is there. So if you want to 1 is there means again decimal point we want to keep. Here itself already 2 numbers is there. So keep 0. After that alone you have to keep the decimal 0. That means 2 5s are 10. இந்த இடத்துல நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, இங்கே ஒரு 0 வந்துருச்சு, ஒரு நம்பர் இறக்குறோம், அந்த ஒரு நம்பரும் it will be smaller with the dividend. So that means sorry divisor. So இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும்போது அந்த இன்னொரு நம்பர் நம்ம டெசிமல் கீப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி for the quotient you have to add the 0. So here the value is 30.2. So that means root of 30.2 minus here 5 squared. So that means root of 30.2 minus 25. So here we want to subtract. So 30.2. Here this 25 is whole number. So you have to write in the whole number place. Here decimal after 0. So here we want to subtract. So 2 minus 0, 2 alone. Point. So if you subtract means 2, 10, 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So 30.2 is greater. So here the value is root of 5.2. So for this we want to use the long division method. 5.2. So 1 is there. So 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. The decimal point it will be going upside. Here we have to 2 2s are 4. If you 2 also fell down. So if you put so already I told for the long division method we have to fell down the two values. Here 2 alone is there. If you 2 keep down means that is not possible. So there is no number means you have to add the 0. So 120. Here we have to multiple with that. So if you multiple 3 times 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So it is so bigger. So we can use 2 alone. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 is possible. So 84. Now we want to subtract. So 1, 10, 10 minus 4, 6. So 11 minus 8, that is 3, 36. So already keep the point. So you have to add 2 decimal, that is 2 zeros. So now we want to multiple 4, 4. Here we have to use that value. That means if it is possible, I think so. 8, I think so. 8 or 7, we can try. 8 8s are 64, 6. 8 4s are 32, 38. 8 4s are 32, 35. So 8 is possible. So 8. So 3, 5, 8, 4. So now we can subtract 5, 9, 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3. Again if you want means you have to find, or otherwise after the decimal it will be stopped. So the value is 2.28. So the sigma for the first data is 2.28. Likewise, we want to find the new value. That means we want to multiply. So multiply by 4 for the data. So if you multiple means that means we get 8, 12, 20, 28. Then 8 4s are 32. So for this data we want to find the standard deviation. Again we have to make the tabular column. So then make the tabular column for the direct method. So for the xi data is 8, 12, 20, 28, 32. So now we want to multiple. So 8 8s are 64. So 12 12s are 144. 20 20s are 400. 28 into 28, that is we want to multiple, or if you know means 784 alone, or otherwise we have to multiple. 8 8s are 64, 6. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, that is 22. Into 2 8s are 16. Remaining 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So 4 8 7. So 784. Likewise 32 into 32 we get 1024. So now we want to add summation xi. Summation xi squared. So that means 8 plus 2 10, 12, 20. 2 is there. 2 plus 1 3, 5. 5 plus 5 10. So here we get 100. Likewise here 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 4 16. Remaining 1. So 10 11. And 11 plus 8 19 21. Remaining 2. Here 4 digits are there. So don't confusion. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 7 10 14. Remaining 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So the value is 2416. So now we want to substitute in the formula, that is root of summation xi squared by n minus summation xi by n the whole squared. So root of summation xi squared we find, that is 2416 divided by n is 5. Then minus here summation xi is 100 by 5. the whole squared. Here it is possible by division, but it is in the decimal. If you know means you have to cancel straightly, or otherwise by using the normal division. Here we can possible 1 5 is 5, 2 5 are 10, so 0 is possible. Here we want to divide 2416 divided by 5, so 4 5s are 20, remaining 4, so 4 is not possible, so 1 is fell down, so 8 5s are 40, remaining 1, 6 is fell down, so 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, keep the decimal, 0, 2 5s are 10, 0. So the value is 483.2, here minus 20 squared, so 20 into 20, that means 400, minus 400. So if you subtract means this is the whole number alone, so for the whole number alone we want to subtract, so the value is root of 83.2. Now we using the long division method. So for the long division method, here we can, so 83.2, so 2 we can take, so 9 9s are 81, remaining 2, this decimal point keep up, here 9 2s are 18, 2 was fell down means 0 also come, because we know that for the long division 2 terms alone we want to come. Here we have a 18 is there, so if it is possible means 1 alone, so 1 means 181, so if you subtract means 1 10 9, here 1 is 11, 11 minus 8 means 3 39, so already the key point, so 0, so 182, here we want to multiple, so if it is possible means I think 2 alone, because see that 1 2 2 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 1 2 is 2, 3, so 3644, so 2 is possible I think so, so 3644. If you want means we have to subtract, or otherwise still stop, because after the decimal we find 9.12 for the sigma. But for the multiplication, that is here 83.2, it will be separated. So how is it possible means, that is this is another one, because of the multiplication how we want to know that. So the answer is 9.12 is correct, so that is 4 into the 16 into 5.2, because if you multiple 52 into 16 means 6 2s are 12, balance 1, 30, 31, 1 2 is 2, 5, 2, 3, 8. So here 1 point is there, 83.2. We get 16 into 5.2, we multiple means we get 83.2. For the 16 is, there is a value, that is root 16 value is root of 4 into 4, that means 4 square, square and root cancel means we get 4. So the square root of 16 value is 4 into 5.2. Already in data first value we find that root 2 value, that is 2.28. So here we can multiple 4 into 2.28. So if you multiple 4 into 2.28, we want to multiple, so 8 4s are 32, remaining 3, 4 2 sorry 8, 8 plus 3 11, balance 1, 4 2s are 8, 9, so 2 point before 9.12, so 9.12, here sigma is 9.2. Like that, if you multiple also we get 9.12, in this method also we get 9.12. Why we say means, because for the multiplication the standard deviation is multiplied with that constant value. அதாவது ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது, நம்ம பழைய டேட்டாக்கும் புது டேட்டாக்கும் எப்படி டிஃபர் ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, அடிஷனை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் சேமாக கிடைக்கும், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் மல்டிபிள்ஸ் என்ன வேல்யூ கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வேல்யூ கொடுக்குறாங்களோ அதோட மல்டிபிள்ஸாக தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த வேல்யூ ஃபார் த standard deviation for the new data. So okay students, today's session is over. Write your CW neatly and properly, because so many sums are we have taken, 5 mark questions தான் we have taken. So நல்லா பாருங்க, Whatever you have a doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, dears.